In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create engaging ads for social media in Canva that actually grab attention, stop the scroll, and drive clicks and sales. Whether you're promoting a product, a service, or your own brand, this step-by-step guide will help you design high-converting social media ads even if you're a complete beginner. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share simple design rules that instantly make your ads look more professional. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva and marketing tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first and most important step is starting with the right size. Using the correct dimensions ensures your ad looks professional and doesn't get cropped awkwardly on different platforms. Inside Canva, click on Create a Design. Now choose the format based on where you're going to post your ad. For Instagram post, choose 1080 by 1080 pixels. For Instagram stories, Facebook stories, or Reels, choose 1080 by 1920 pixels. For a Facebook feed ad, use 1200 by 628 pixels. And for TikTok ads, again, 1080 by 1920 pixels works perfectly. If you're unsure, you can simply search inside Canva for Instagram ad, Facebook ad, or TikTok video ad, and Canva will automatically suggest the correct format. Starting with the right size makes everything else much easier. Next, let's pick a high-converting template. Once your canvas opens, go to the Templates tab on the left. Search based on your niche or goal. For example, type in sale ad, real estate ad, product ad, food ad, or fitness ad. Canva has thousands of pre-designed layouts that are already optimized for marketing. The key here is to choose something clean and scroll-stopping. Avoid templates that look too busy or overloaded with text. Remember, the goal is to catch attention within the first second of someone scrolling. Now, let's add your product or service visuals. This is the most important part of your ad because people notice visuals before they read anything. Upload high-quality images of your product or service. If your product photo has a messy or distracting background and you're using Canva Pro, click on Edit Photo and use the Background Remover tool to instantly clean it up. Make your product large and centered. Don't make it tiny. Big, bold visuals are what stop the scroll. If it's a service-based business, use strong lifestyle imagery that represents the outcome your customer wants. After that, it's time to make your headline pop. Your headline should be big, bold, and minimal. Avoid long sentences. Instead, use short, powerful phrases like 50% off today, new arrivals, glow in 7 days, or limited stock. Keep the font easy to read and high contrast against the background. If your background is light, use dark text. If your background is dark, use light text. You can also slightly increase letter spacing and use bold fonts to make it feel more premium. The headline should instantly communicate the main benefit or offer. Now let's talk about keeping your design simple. Most ads fail because they are too crowded. A simple framework you can follow is the 40-30-30 rule. 40% of your design should be visual, 30% should be your headline, and 30% should be empty space. That empty space, also called white space, is extremely important. It makes your ad look clean, premium, and easy to read. Don't feel like you need to fill every corner. Clean designs convert better. Finally, let's export your ad in high quality. When you're done designing, click on Share and then Download. If it's an image ad, choose PNG for the best quality. If it's a video ad, choose MP4. For even sharper results, especially for paid ads, increase the size to 1.5 or 2x resolution before downloading. This ensures your ad looks crisp on high-resolution screens and doesn't appear blurry. And that's it. You now know how to create engaging social media ads in Canva step by step, from choosing the right size to exporting in high quality. The key is using the correct dimensions, choosing clean templates, focusing on strong visuals, writing bold headlines, and keeping everything simple and uncluttered. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, marketing strategies, and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.